Good day friends, my name is Misael and welcome to my new gardening vlog which I call Easy Gardening. I am based in New Zealand but I originally come from the Philippines. I call my vlog Easy Gardening because I believe gardening need not be difficult and complicated, and I count interest and passion for the craft as the most important ingredients for success in gardening. I have taught and practiced horticulture in New Zealand for almost 10 years now, and I thought I'd like to share my experiences through this vlog and hope you'll get something from it. First in the series of videos would be how to propagate plants or multiply plants from stem cuttings. And propagating your own plants will minimize trips to the garden center to buy plants and can save you time and money, and you can even share or sell plants to others and therefore profit from it, or simply recoup your expenses, as gardening can be quite expensive too. I bought this plant from a garden center. This is a gardenia plant a few months back, and they now have almost 30 young plants from it. These are examples of the baby plants that I have now from this mother plant. For my introductory video, I will show you the plants that I have propagated so far, and in the succeeding video I will show you the step-by-step procedure of the actual propagation of plants by stem cuttings. So these are the plants that I have propagated from stem cuttings. The first one is a herbaceous stem cutting. This is known by many names like Crassula or Jade plant or money plant. Another one is the Chilean guava, or otherwise known as the New Zealand cranberry. This makes a very good hedge plant, and it also produces an edible berry, red and very sweet. The next one is a common plant in the tropics, like in the Philippines, and this is called bougainvillea. I propagated this from semi-hardwood stem cuttings, and this is another variety of the jade plant, and this one is a coprosma propagated from softwood stem cuttings. By the way, I will try to differentiate softwood, semi-hardwood and hardwood stem cuttings in my next video. And these cuttings here are from the Juniper pine plant, and this makes very good bonsai. The last one I have here are called Fuchsias. I think because of its fuchsia color, I'm referring to the flower, although the leaves are also very colorful. And here I think is one unopened flower there, and it gives a very distinct fuchsia colored flower. In addition, I have this Hypocalyma plant, commonly known as the golden veil, and it also makes a good hedge plant, although you can grow this as an individual plant in a pot. And this, by the way, is the mother plant which I bought from the garden center, and now producing additional shoots which I can also harvest and propagate as new plants. We have here the gardenia, which I have shown earlier. These are the baby plants from this mother plant, the Rosal in the Philippines, and it produces a flower with very sweet scent. And these ones are the Juniper plant. Take note that it is already showing its natural form or shape, and which makes it a very ideal plant for bonsai. These ones are spruce, which I have also propagated from the softwood stem cuttings. This is another variety of Coprosma, and you will note that these are bigger compared to the other plants, and I guess it's time for me to repot all these. I usually use a 3/4 bag at the start, but this will be transferred to a 2 PB bag. This one here is called Hypocalyma, and interestingly this belongs to the citrus family, or the Rutaceae, but the only common thing that this has with the citrus family is the distinct lemony smell of the leaves when crushed. I have also attempted to propagate calamansi, and I was able to produce some plants, but I would say the success rate is a lot lower compared to the other plants. And this is the mother plant from which I took my cuttings from, and note the small fruits that this plant is now bearing, and hopefully in 1 to 2 months should be ready to harvest some of the fruits. This one here is the first plant that I have propagated from the original mother plant. So that's it for now, my friends. I invite you to watch my next video on propagation of plants from stem cuttings. Please feel free to comment below, and please don't forget to subscribe.